maganda po. Promise, maganda. Okay, goods. Bilis oh, bilis.
So what's up guys? Samahan nyo ako 6 hours in my life. A day in my life. Sa akin 6 hours lang ha. 6 hours guys in my life. Samahan nyo ako guys. Sunduin na muna natin si Matthew sa school niya. Tara guys, let's go. By the way guys, oras natin ngayon is 10:30. So 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. So until 4:30 of my life guys. Let's go. So dito guys, yung daan ng school ni Matthew. As a new driver guys, nubok agad tayo, which is good, di ba? Sa Baclaran to guys, no? May mas masisikip na daan pa dyan sa unahan guys. Kasi yung parking nila dito, it's a double parking guys eh. So yan, ganyan, sasalubungin ka pa. Tapos ito guys, liliko ko ganito. So ito yung malupit dito na daan guys. Ayo, pasok tayo dito kung saan masikip. Oh shit. Kailangan dahan-dahan lang guys. Pre, as a new driver, slowly but surely guys. Ayan, double parking. Damn. Dahan lang guys. Ito yung school ni Matthew. Diyan ko siya pipick upin. Hey man! Wow! Your Jollibee. Who give it to you? I'm doing a vlog man. So what's up? How was the school? So you got Jollibee, huh? Is it a boy or girl?
Boy. He's 5 years old.
Oh, he's 5 years old.
Yeah, I'm getting 5 too when I was 4.
Right, you're already 5, my man.
I'm already 5. Look at this Jollibee, Daddy.
Yeah, what's inside?
Soy and candy. You can remove it now because it's not hot in our car.
Oh, okay, man. I'm sorry for that.
I'm Jollibee.
What's inside? Check, check. Oh, there's a toy and a food and a drink.
Yeah.
That's so nice. So yun guys, pakauwi namin, may lilinisan lang ako. I mean, may tutulungan akong linisan yung room, which is the 3-bedroom na Airbnb namin. And then after that, punta tayo ng office kasi may i-release tayong L300 guys. So let's go! Let's go my man, let's go! We're back na. So what's up guys? So ngayon check natin yung room na lilinisan natin. Arvin? So ito guys yung bedroom. So ito yung balcony niya guys. So tatlong room siya. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung master's bedroom guys. So ayan. Papalitan natin yan. Okay naman yung guest. Maayos naman siya. So there's a guest kasi na alam mo yun, makalat, magulo. So this one, okay naman. Yung view. Ito yung sa gitnang room. Naayusin din natin yan guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung before. Ayan yung before and after niya later. Yung pangatlong room. So yun guys, time check tayo. Time check. So 11:30 AM. 12 noon dapat tapos na tayo dito guys. Tapos na tayo dito sa isa guys. So doon naman tayo sa isang bed. Let's go! So ayan guys, tapos na tayo dito sa gitnang room. So ito na yung itsura niya guys. So aayusin na lang yan ng partner natin. So proceed na tayo dito sa classroom. After nito, kain na tayo. Tapos ligo. And then punta na tayo sa dealership. So yun guys, tapos na. So let's go. This is a 3BR no. Kung gusto nyo mag-book, you can check here. Ipa-flash ko dito sa screen yung page namin. So you can check there our available rooms. 1BR, 2BR, and 3BR. So check nyo na lang guys. So yun guys, tapos na tayo maligo. Kumakalam lang ang tiyan ko guys. Deserve ko na kumain guys kasi kumakalam na tiyan ko. Let's go. So what's up guys? Papunta na tayong dealer. Time check tayo guys. It's 12:50 PM. By one, nasa dealer na tayo. By the way guys, yung requirements ng kliyente natin na ready ko na, no. So pagdating niya, magsa-sign documents na siya and papaliwanag ko na lang sa kanya yung mga documents na kailangan niyang malaman at dapat maintindihan, especially sa mga documents ng new vehicle release guys. So what's up guys, dito na tayo sa dealer, let's go. So yun guys, while waiting to our client, papasok pa lang daw sila ng Cavite. So ito yung unit niya guys, i-check na muna natin. Sa 2026 Mitsubishi L300. So yung body niya before 2025 year model pababa is Cento. This one 2026 is Almazora na yung body niya, which is mas malapad, tapos mas updated. So ayan guys, ikutan lang natin saglit, check natin kung may gas-gas sa ng unit niya guys. So ayan, may mga sulat pa siya, papaayos natin to, papalinisan natin, so papapunasan natin yan guys. So yan guys, as per checking, okay naman yung outside appearance niya. So ito yung likod niya guys. May payload capacity na 1,215 kg. So kung sa tao naman guys, is a maximum of 14 seaters, medium size yun guys ha. So yun guys, after 1.5 hours of waiting, dumating na rin finally yung client natin. Siyempre pagdating nila, binigyan lang natin ng amenities, drinks, wifi, password and everything, and nag-document signing na rin sila guys. So what's up guys, tapos na yung release natin, no. Hinihintay na lang natin tong sasakyan na to. After nito, ipipwesto na natin yung unit natin guys. So yun guys, ito yung unit natin guys. So ito guys, ipipwesto na ni Kuya Jops yung unit natin. Thank you Kuya Jops. Yes sir. So yun guys, syempre hindi mawawala ang picture taking. So ayan, mag picture taking lang kami. And a big shout out for Ma'am Maria. So kami yung nag-process nito for the 2 months hanggang sa ma-release namin yung unit. So anything concern po sa unit, assistance, questions or clarification, tawagan nyo lang po ako or message mo ako sir ha. Sasagutin naman kita agad. Question lang, kamusta naman yung naging process natin?
Okay naman po, maganda po. Promise, maganda.
Si ma'am, any comments, violent reactions sa process natin?
Kaya ako, sir.
Ay, excited si ma'am. So si sir, any comments?
Okay, goods. Mabilis ang transaction.
Okay, sige sir. Yun lang naman sir, thank you so much po.
Thank you, sir.
Ingat po kayo sir.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much. Ma'am, thank you ma'am. Ma'am. So yun guys, tapos na yung release natin. So time check tayo, 5:25. So dapat 4:30 lang guys, no? 6 hours lang, naging 7 hours. So yun guys, yung 7 hours ng buhay natin guys. Nasamahan nyo ako. Thank you. Let's go. So yun guys, going home na tayo.